Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I hope everyone is having a fantastic day out there and enjoying some mad CRO gains this week, okay? So let me know in the comment section below, how are you going with your DeFi stake? I know there have been some issues for some people with regards to, to sending CRO between sort of the ERC20 chain and the crypto.org chain, and, high gas fees and problems with conversions and sort of technical issues with the app. But all in all, I hope that, you have resolved your issues through there. And just remember, just to really help you out there, if you are someone, and I know there's probably someone watching out there who is going to be having some technical issues, make sure you've got a Twitter account, make sure you got a Discord, make sure you got a Telegram, and make sure you get in touch with the official crypto.com socials, okay? There's supports there, and obviously the in-app chat as well can help you as well. At the moment, it's roughly taking them a day to get back to inquiries. Yesterday I had a bit of an issue with buying a I think it was a $10 K lottery NFT. I purchased 3 of them for $30, $30, and I actually only got 1 in my portfolio. So look, these problems do happen, okay, but just try to be patient with crypto.com before you do get upset, because for the most part, any issues that I have been resolved. So anyway, let's crack onto the main purpose of this video, ladies and gentlemen, and we are going to be talking about the crypto.com DeFi wallet, and more specifically, actually making sure that if you are someone out there that has staked on the DeFi wallet, which currently is giving us, if we just go and have a look, some nice returns of above 20%, which is, the average price that was promised as far as I'm aware. We're getting 41.86% per annum at the moment, okay? And I've currently earned $93.83 US worth of CRO. And in today's video, I want to compound this. So what do I mean when I say compound? I basically want to use that 93.83 USD worth of CRO, and I can tell you actually how much it is. If I just go into here, you can actually see here, okay? So my stake balance there was 75,296.32 CRO, and my reward balance, so that's the reward that I've been getting for my one-click delegation contribution to the crypto.org chain, has been 428.64 CRO. Now, when I did start staking, I think the rate was up at around maybe 80 to 90% per annum, and it has dropped quite quickly to 44. So I'm hoping, that it does not drop sort of too much below 20%. But unfortunately, well, not unfortunately for the network, because there is more, I guess, decentralization, the more people that get amongst this and stake and do become validators. But I guess less fortunate for those of us here that are, looking to reap more rewards in CRO. So, it's not a simple fact, it's not as simple as, oh yeah, the rate goes down and that sucks for CRO. Okay, you've got to remember as well, in terms of the hashtag BUIDL, sort of the decentralization of CRO and the crypto.org chain, still getting used to that word, it's actually really, really important, okay? So I guess it just, means you've got to be a little bit less selfless in understanding why the rates are going down, okay? And it's just good for the overall development of CRO, which is going to be good for the development of the CRO token. And I know I'm rambling a bit here, but I think it's important because, we will most probably see a continued reduced rate in the per annum, but hopefully that, with the ongoing token burns that crypto.com are doing on the CRO token, the actual value of the CRO token keeps heading up towards $1, and I think it will continue to head in that direction. I'm not going to do price speculation, but what I can say is that, in a year's time, you're going to be wishing you definitely bought some CRO, okay? And obviously more people that are now staking, that is also providing some really nice stability to the overall price of CRO. So guys, I've never actually done this before, but now that I've given you a bit of, context or, information about what's going on, we're literally just going to go through this process right now for you, and we're just going to hit earn more and just see what happens, okay? So now I'm going to claim my rewards first, okay? So there's a claim rewards button here, claim to wallet, withdraw rewards to your CRO wallet, okay? So I'd like to do that. Okay, so you got to click on it first and then press proceed, okay? So that was not that clear, actually. Okay, insufficient network fee from validator. Estimated reward 0.0002 CRO. Okay, so I'm thinking I might have to take a little bit less. Righty, ladies and gentlemen, so sorry for that shortcut and delay. So I didn't encounter any problem, but came to a realization that, silly me, I didn't have any CRO, crypto.org coin, right, on the crypto.org chain in the actual wallet section of the DeFi wallet, as you can see here. So as you can see, it says crypto.org coin. I've got $126 worth there. Now, what I had to do, because when I did my original stake, okay, I obviously went for the maximum amount to stake, okay? So I sent money from crypto.com app to the crypto.com DeFi wallet, and then that crypto.com that CRO on the DeFi wallet, I staked all of it, and I didn't realize, or I kind of forgot really, that I had to leave even just the tiniest bit in the actual wallet as opposed to the earn section, because when when they take the fee, all right, if you want to compound, moving stuff around on and off the blockchain, etc., all right, you need to have just a tiny amount of CRO available in the wallet section of the DeFi wallet here. So this is definitely like a really hot tip, okay, because I'm telling you right now, for you, those of you that are compounding, I bet you there's going to be a lot of you that don't realize this step, okay? So I guess I kind of assumed that they would just automatically take it from the earn section, considering that, 10% or whatever goes to the validator. So so what I did was I went back to my crypto.com. I used my card to buy some CRO token, because I think the minimum amount of CRO to send over from the app to the DeFi wallet is 423, and I had like 370. I got all my dust from all my little coins that I'm getting earn interest on. I still didn't have enough. I had like 390, so I ended up having to use my card to buy some CRO, which is fine because I'm just going to stake more anyway. So now, as you can see, I got $126 here in the wallet. I'm going to actually stake on a different pool now, okay? And then I'm going to leave some left over, okay? So as you can see, 574 CRO there. So we're going to go to the earn section first. So I'm going to stake more, and then I'm going to compound the other amount. So, lucky for you, those of you that, you're getting a bit of a glimpse into how to actually stake for the first time as well. So, fingers crossed this should be okay. And for those of you wondering how long it's taking to send CRO on the CRO chain from the app to the DeFi wallet, it took like 2 minutes, guys, which is really, really awesome compared to those first couple of days where it was taking like almost 24 hours. So we'll go in here, guys. We've got a current rate of 41.84%. Per annum here, and let's have a look, guys. Okay, and guys, actually, just a really quick important point for those of you that don't understand, okay, per annum versus, or APR versus APY. If you see APY, annual percentage yield, okay, that is taking into account compound interest, okay? So they are going to be automatically compounding for you, all right, in that particular scenario. But with APR, which is what is being used on Crypto Earn, it's being used here on the DeFi wallet staking. APR does not take into account anything that you may want to compound, okay? So now that I'm going to be, compounding the $90 or so worth of CRO that I've made in around a week's time, or maybe a bit less, okay, my actual projected rate is going to increase because it's APR or PA rather than APY, okay? So drop me a like if you did find that one helpful, guys. It really does support the channel, okay? We're going for 10K at the end of this year, baby. So, yeah, do appreciate that. I also know that my hair is probably blowing around. It's a bit windy out here, but it's a lovely day out here in sunny old London town. So let's crack on with this, guys. So we've got 474 CRO. Now, bear in mind, it's easy just to go, Maxi, I want to get all that juicy CRO, get it in there. But no. I'm going to leave a little bit for compounding. So I'm probably going to do something like 573, okay? So if I go 573, should be left with 1.79, etc., okay? Which should be more than enough, okay? Should be more than enough to pay for the gas fees for compounding purposes, okay? So we're going to stake that down the bottom there, see how that goes, all right? Now, the current validator pool, it's just going to come up here in a second, ladies and gents. It's a 2 validator New Shepherd. I like that name. It's cool. Stake amount 573 CRO, estimated network fee. As you can see, guys, it's a tiny fee, 0.0002 CRO, okay? So I could argue that even 1 CRO in there is just far too much, okay? But whatever, it's just 1 CRO, guys, so let's chill. Commissions, 15%, guys, so we understand all of that. You've got all the details there. Let's crack on, okay? Now, the 20-day, 8-day unbonding period basically means from the moment you decide to unstake your CRO, you have to wait 28 days before you have access to it, and over those 28 days, you're not getting any interest, okay? So that's what that is, all right? So don't show me this again, I get that, all right? And we shall proceed. Okay, that's face recognition, love that. Your request to stake 573 CRO is pending on the 1st of April. April Fools! Don't have a joke for you. Okay, so request is submitted. Now let's see if that is going to pop up somewhere here in my earn section. Because again, guys, I am doing this second earn for the first time. Okay, so I can't even remember what actually. Okay, so actually I think, yeah, total assets and DeFi earn. Okay, that has gone up, I think, actually. So we click on my assets here and go, yes, perfect, guys. So you click on that button there, guys. So if you didn't see that, the button I clicked on was assets, CRO. Okay, I don't have a cursor, I know, but you can kind of get the gist of what's going on here. Okay, so it's got my CRO balance there, 16,905 USD, worth 76,299 CRO at the top. All right, we've got the new Shepherd, which is just started out and getting that at 41% at the moment compared to Athena, which was 44. I'm not sure why those are different if they're getting updated regularly, but I guess we'll come back to that. And my reward balance is already there, guys. So I've got an option to claim rewards already from new Shepherd, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to be claiming rewards from Athena, okay, which was my original stake where I've earned 429.67 CRO. And this is where I came to before, and it didn't allow me to do it because I didn't have any CRO in my standard wallet outside of the earn. So we're going to click on the claim rewards button because I do want to compound this. So this is something that, you know, you actually got to click on. You see where it says, that's not obvious to me. I clicked where it says claim to wallet. I put my finger there, I clicked that there. Okay, but that's not obvious, I feel. So they need to like make that a little bit more obvious or something. And then once you click that button, guys, you can press proceed. Takes me to the next screen. So yeah, I'm not saying that to be mean to crypto.com, but it's just, you know, there's always room for improvement for any business. Okay, all right, claim rewards to wallet 429. Okay, so from validator Athena, estimated reward amount, estimated network fee, that's potato chips, so we can confirm that, guys. Paid like, guys, I'm, you know, moving stuff around on Uniswap because I do a lot of yield farming as well. And guys, let me know if you want to see more videos on yield farming, if that's something you'd be interested in. I think personally, you know, yield farming is the most, you know, when we weigh up risk to reward ratio, I think yield farming has definitely the best returns when we regard that. You're looking at 50% APYs and increasing. So request submitted, guys, that's done there. I'm going to X that there, but let me know if you want to see more content on yield farming. But as I said, you know, on the ERC20, guys, you're looking at $100 plus by the time you swap a token, you put it in a pool, you get the LP tokens out and all that stuff. It's like $100+ worth of Ethereum. So, you know, it's just not worth, you know, the point of the story is, you know, compared to CRO, you know, it's 0.0002 or whatever CRO. It's so good. It's so good, guys. It's just so cheap, and it just makes it so easy to move stuff around on this new and awesome blockchain, the crypto.org chain. So, all right, so what's going on, guys? So let's go back to my original wallet here at the start, bottom left of screen, and let's have a look. Okay, so, all right, so it's claiming an amount here. 574 CRO. All right, folks, so I just had to wait like 5 seconds there. I hit refresh there, and what happened is, yeah, that was awesome, guys. The rewards, how long was the whole process? Under a minute, maybe 45 seconds, and it was available in my crypto.org coin wallet there, okay? And now I'm gonna restake this now, if I can, okay? If we compound this and see how this goes. So I know it's a bit annoying because now I'm gonna have to open like something for a new validator. I guess, you know, it's kind of annoying that I can't just add it to the same pool, but, you know, there's going to be reasons for that and complications, I'm assuming, okay? So I'm just going to have to open up a variety of different pools, but I want to, you know, I want to get that, guys, I want that 40% because it's going down, you know, so I want to get it while I can. So let's go to earn more, guys. We can earn more. And guys, again, I'm going through the same process again. Looks like I'm going to be opening up a third pool. Just remember, leave a little bit of CRO, guys. Leave a little bit of CRO. Got 41.84% there. And so we've got 431 CRO. So I'm literally, guys, I'm just going to go 431 CRO straight off the bat there. It's $95. I can stake that. Okay. Okay, so this is also going to new Shepherd, okay? Point, again, 0002 CRO, guys. 15% commission. Confirm stake. Okay. Okay, request submitted. This is all pretty fluid, guys. The app is flowing well, which is what I'm liking, okay? The app is flowing really nicely here. And that should, let's just refresh that a couple times and have a look at what's going on here. Okay, so it's already added, guys. So as you can see, the total assets is 16,870 USD, all right? And if we go into the assets again, I'm clicking on the assets. And, oh, I see. Okay, so that, all right, so you can't decide what validator it goes to, but the last two I opened did go to new Shepherd, okay? So they actually did go to the same pool. So that's pretty cool. So now I've got new Shepherd, which I've added to twice, and I've got Athena, which I've added to once, guys. And as you can see, the rewards have already started to pour in. And what can I say? Passive income CRO on an asset that's got, you know, a seriously transparent burn model. We got a company doing amazing things in NFT, collateral lending, DeFi space. They got an exchange, which does need to work, to be fair. Arguably the best app. It's my app, it's my go-to app. And hey guys, I'm not even sponsored by crypto.com. Guys, I'm not sponsored by crypto.com, but if you do want to sign up for a Ruby Red card or above, all right, you get that card, you'll be supporting the channel. If you use my link, it'll be in the description of this video. You'll both get $25 worth of CRO after you order that Ruby Red card, guys. So they don't actually say that. They say, yeah, sign up and you'll get $25. Not true. You got to sign up, order the Ruby Red card by staking your CRO for US dollar value, all right, then you'll unlock your $25. So they are a bit cheeky like that, if you like. So ladies and gentlemen, all right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I do just want to help you guys out there in the cryptocurrency space. Do remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are not financial advice, but if you like this video, like the video, it's free to do. The button's just down there. Okay, if you didn't like the video, that's fine. Okay, just tell me why though in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of content you would like to see more of on this channel. Let me know if you like these crypto.com videos, and let me know as well, what do you think the price of CRO is headed to at the end of 2021? I am personally very, very excited. Again, not going to give a prediction on the exact price, but I do think it's going to go up. And make sure you do subscribe to the channel and turn those little notification bells on to make sure you do know when new videos do come out. And from wherever you are watching from in the world, I really do hope you have a most blessed and profitable day in the cryptocurrency sphere, and I shall catch you in the next one. Cheers, viewers.